putting aside the booking of the loss of our disposal of our Russian subsidiary, we are posting extraordinarily strong performances, and it's across the board. All the businesses are delivering very good results, and many of them even with historically high record levels. So it's true for retail, it's true for retail in France, international retail, fleet management, financial services, and as you said, wholesale banking, both capital markets and financing. So across the board, very strong performances.
Was it a difficult decision to leave Russia, despite knowing it was the right thing to do? You had a very long history there. Was it a difficult decision to make?
It was a sad one. You know, when you invest for many years successfully, well, it's very sad. But if you wish, when you look at the situation, it was so difficult to manage, so risky going forward with no clear outcome of all this. So it was clear that it was the best decision, at least in my mind. And I'm very happy that we did it in a very responsible way, with, again, an impact on the P&L, very limited on the capital, so we can move on.
Let's look at the outlook. Of course, higher rates now are on the table, which is good news for the banks, but there's also a lot of clouds gathering on the horizon, potential stagflation, if not recession. What is the scenario that you're looking at, and how are you positioning your business for it?
Well, as you say, there is a lot of uncertainty in the short term. In the long term, may I say, we have taken as a central scenario actually a slow growth going forward after a peak of inflation, of course, monetary policies tightening, but actually also rates going down in the next 3 to 4 years. So something which is not particularly dynamic. It's a conservative economic scenario, and it's on this basis that we are building our assumptions for 2025, because we also communicate our ambition. We are very confident to deliver a 10% return on tangible equity, sustainable profitability. So, I mean, we are building, you know, we are investing in certain strategic projects, whatever the environment. We remain confident, actually, for the bank, but of course the environment remains uncertain in the coming 2 to 3 quarters. We will have more visibility at the beginning of the spring next year, I guess.